Today we are talking all about Estee Lauder Advanced Night Cleansing Balm. I will be answering your top questions like what skin types it's best for and what results you can expect after using it. Whether you are curious about removing stubborn makeup or just want that deep clean feeling without drying out your skin, I have got you covered. So let's get started.